Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm a product specialist at Zendesk. In this video, we'll talk about the Support Professional plan. When you're scaling your customer service operation, it's essential that you work smarter, not harder. Zendesk Support Professional can help. Here are just a few examples. To begin with, you can improve agent efficiency with features like dynamic content, which lets you automate multilingual global support and lets you talk to customers in their preferred language. For VIP or urgent requests, support level agreements, or SLAs, will help you ensure high-priority tickets get the attention they need. Customer satisfaction surveys let you understand customers better by capturing valuable insight about their experience. And custom apps allow your agents to view all your data in one central place. Of course, with analytics powered by Zendesk Explore, you'll be able to make sense of it all. Our pre-built dashboards highlight key customer service metrics and integrate data from across all channels so you can see a complete picture and ultimately find opportunities to optimize team performance, meet customer expectations, and make data-driven decisions, all of which are good things.